Hi, in front of me is Honor 10X Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can record sounds using this device. First of all, go into menu and type recorder. Then click on this app and choose allow. After that, click on this red button to start your recording. You can pause it by clicking on this right one and unpause it the same way. If you want to end your recording and save it, click on the red one again. And over here, as you can see, mine was successfully created. You can always delete it though by holding it and choosing delete in the middle, then delete again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!